Hi, happy November. So this week we are in Module 8. No, I'm sorry, Module 6 about global learning. And if you remember back to the beginning of the semester when you took the knowledge inventory, a lot of you mentioned that you wanted to learn more about global learning. So I'm really excited. This is one of the topics that I research. So for Sunday, you watched the global competence video and you read about global thinking routines. And now what you're going to do is you're going to watch this voice thread, which is a mini lecture by me. So you will have to click through it. So it'll start automatically if you hit play. But then after this screen, you have to go down and click the arrow to go to the next screen. And then it'll play, and once it's over, you'll have to go to the next slide, etc.
By the end of this presentation, you will know one definition of global competence.
And then you will read this chapter that goes into more depth about the 4 dimensions of teaching for global readiness, which is situated, integrated, critical, and transactional. If you have any questions about this article, please reach out because I obviously wrote it, so I hopefully will be able to answer your questions. All right. Now, this is the assignment I'm really excited about, and I know that working in groups was a challenge at the beginning of the semester. I get that. I want to be here to help you facilitate the group work, so please come through me if you need help. I am your facilitator, so use me to facilitate, okay? I'm not going to do the work for you, right? But I can help you. So after reading that article, you're going to pick one of the cases and you are going to write a case study. How do you write a case study? Normally we use some sort of framework to help us do the analyzation. So we're going to use the framework of situated, integrated, critical, transactional. Each person will choose one of those areas, read, and if there's a video, watch, and see if you find that it is situated, that it's connected to the students on a personal level, that it's connected to them on a conceptual level, that it is relevant to their lives, it's relevant to the time and the place, integrated so that it's connected to the standard course of study, that it's not just an add-on. Or if you say, no, this is just an add-on, then you criticize the case based on that. Critical means that there's a political frame looking for differences in power, privilege, that all ethnicities are treated with equality and that there's a value of diversity. It's not ethnocentric, but that the people involved, the teacher and the students, are challenged to reflect on their own privilege as Americans, or are challenged to think about their responsibility based on that privilege of being Americans. That, and the last one, transactional, that there's some sort of perspective taking back and forth from the other cultures, so that it's not just US-based sources. For example, I'll give you a little hint, The Long Walk to Water, if you look who the author is, she's American. So is that really a transaction of perspectives if it's American students reading a story that an American author wrote? You can think about that, okay? All right, so if you want to do 1st or 2nd grade, you'll click on this. You will put your names down. So Claire is here, and then I need 3 other people to join her. All right, so put your names down for what you want to look for. If there's already 4 names, then we can create a new group, okay? So this is the 5th grade, and it went to a wrong link, so I'll fix that link, right? Yeah, I'll fix that link, sorry. That is the story, so you can get started, but I'll make it link to the sign-up page. History, same thing. Okay, I'll fix it. 8th grade. Google page. So we have Jessica, who's already gotten a good start, Renee. If 2 other people want to join this 8th grade group, it's about science and world literature, so either one. 10th grade, chemistry. You chemistry teachers need to sign up for this one, okay? 11th grade English. We've got Kelly, so I need some of you other English teachers. Jean-Marie, Jenny can sign up for this one too. I know that Kelsey had signed up for the art one. I'm curious to see if any other elementary teachers are interested in this because it doesn't have to happen in an art class. Kelsey, if no one else signs up, let me know and we can talk about what you want to do. And then the music one, I'm assuming that, we've got Jessica P in here too. That's great. So maybe the 2 other music teachers will join you. And then the simulation model, I've done this one. Well, I've done several of them, but I've done this one too. This isn't my case, but this is just where I was showing you what to do. And it's a really cool project, but I'll give you a hint about this integrating one. Maybe, maybe not. So please, if you're interested in simulation where the students are kind of role-playing, that there's someone else and they experience the lesson as someone else, then you can do this one. So if you have any questions, please let me know. I need you to sign up for a group ASAP. So by tonight midnight, if you could please, that way you have a full week to work on your case studies. All right, have a great one.